All right, guys. Here's what we got going on today. I remember earlier in the season that we got this all rototill. Doesn't that grass look fantastic? Nice. Beautiful grass. Look at how green that is. It's not all filled in. There's still some patchities that need to be filled in, but not today. Today's big project is we are starting to fill around the fire pit with rocks. And can you guys guess how we're getting these rocks? I will show you. And the person that is getting these for us is excited. She loves it. Let me just look at her here. There she is in all her glory. Got the old little siftinator going. She's shoveling rocks onto the siftinator. Getting like all the dirt and the water back out.
Yes, the siftinator will never retire.
No, it will not. If it does, then I'll just build another one for you. I'll find other stuff for you to use it for. But yeah, we're just built a little dam here to stop most of the water from getting to this area. Yeah, it is still getting through a little bit in spots. And then she's just digging up the rivery rock, and if she finds some big rocks, she throws them up for a different project and such. But yeah, that's what we got going on. We want to get this done before fall time, which is coming pretty soon here. Get this all rocked and everything. It'll probably take about 75 buckets, but I think a bag of river rock at a big box store is probably $3-4 right now. So yeah, gonna bring it all the way back here. Some of this grass, well, it's not looking too hot. Needs probably good fertilizing. Funny thing is, we did not water this one time. All it ever got was the morning dew and the rain, the little bit of rain we got. So the older grass, yeah, you can tell it looks a little dead, but there's still a bunch of crap in here from the previous owners. But yeah, hopefully get this all done here in the next couple days. I got short shifts coming up, so, and a vacation too. A 9-day vacation. Alright guys, if life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you like it. Share it, subscribe, hit the bell, and click all notifications. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.